Hi, today in this video we will see how clubs command does work in the Stata. I have written a lot of codes here. You don't need to think about this, just think clubs command. Here you can see I have written the clubs command, clubs mean temperature max, temperature mean, comma by year. So before going to see this, we will import the dataset. Just Ctrl D. I'm going to keep the windows side by side. It will help us to understand the codes very clearly. I have loaded the dataset here. You can see. Let's describe about the codes with the dataset in the browsing command. Here temperature max means maximum temperature in a particular month of a year. Here you can see here max, and the temperature mean meaning the minimum temperature of a month in a year. So now what I want to do, I want to calculate the mean with respect to year. So here you can see in 1950 there are 12 months and its respective max temperature and mean temperature in age districts. Now if I run the clubs command, what will happen, we'll see. Now I have run the code. Now you can see here that in 1950 the max temperature was 30.22 and the mean temperature was around 20.59. So what I have done here, I have calculated the mean values using the clubs command. So thus you can use clubs command and produce such types of mean value of a particular year. Here I have used year command because I want to keep the mean value with respect to year, or very specifically I want to analyze the temperature with respect to year. If I wanted to analyze this with respect to district or any other unit, I used district or other unit here with. So thank you so much for watching this video.